What's going on, guys? Here with another video after a long time. We actually, since then, you know, my brother has a son, so my nephew, he actually got a truck, which is 2008 or so. 2008 Dodge Ram. So I don't know how much this truck's even gonna be on the channel. We just kind of want to show it because we're gonna have to replace the window assembly, right? That brings the window up and down. And so we're just gonna put it on here just for our records, because the truck is already kind of modified, has a few things. This was actually one of our good friends' trucks, and you know, my brother came up on it and said, hey, fuck it, I'll get it for my son. So here it is now. So it is an old truck, and he built it. You know, he did interior, sound system, things just like an intake, some pinstriping. I'll show it right now here in a bit. But so yeah, don't judge the truck, man. This is what it was back in the day. That was a style, gator, ostrich, all that shit. So play, if you watching this, man, he got a whole lot of gator in this motherfucker. But yeah, so all door panels are custom. There's a lot of custom work done as far as the interior. Outside is pretty much stock. He used to have 28s on his truck. Now it's on stocks. But so yeah, I mean, as of now, my brother replaced the battery, right?
The battery, just little things, the hood shocks.
Hood shocks, little stuff that, you know, because the truck honestly has what?
100,000.
100K miles for an 08, which is pretty damn good. And homeboy never really drove the truck. It was more of a show truck at the time. And he lost interest, so it is what it is. And yeah, man. What little problems does it have, what you think?
Little minor problems. It has door poppers.
Oh yeah, it has door poppers and they're not working.
Some of them aren't working, so some doors aren't working. Right now, what we're working on today is this window doesn't go down.
Yeah. And it sucks because it doesn't have the door handle no more.
Yeah, so everything's custom. Let's show them a little bit inside.
So these are door panels. I'd be lying if I told you what size the speakers are, but it has, you know, DB drive speakers, tweeters, some engraving up at the bottom with LED lights, all gator seats.
Yeah, in the back as well.
The back, oh shit, is, you know, all custom door panels as well, tweeters, and subs sides. And they got the subs, like we said. It's got the gator, all white piping, screens, big ass. I don't even know what size that is. I think it was 26,
28. He said he was 28. So it's an old school look vibe. Yeah, man, you know what I'm saying?
We got a center console all the way through.
You know, got the amps, custom center console, like my brother just said, headliner. So it needs little tweaks here and there, modifications to fix. Of course, my son doesn't like this interior look. He's gonna want to switch it up. It's all up to him what he want to do. But yeah,
this is his build.
Yeah, it's his build.
It's his build. So, you know, whatever he wants to do with it, you know, he's gonna work for it. You know, he's working for it to paint his truck. You know, and so, you know, he likes it. We're into the car stuff, and he sees us into the car stuff. So, you know, and truck stuff. So now he wants to start working on this one. So as of now, we're just kind of trying to fix the little things that we can fix for it to make it, you know, safe,
functional,
and functional. I mean, it runs and drives, no problem, no problem. But it's like little things like this. Doesn't have door handles, and the door poppers don't work properly. So like, how do you even get out the truck? You know?
Yeah.
So all the windows work except for this one. And so yeah, man, I don't know how much it's gonna be on the channel, but yeah, right now we're gonna replace this window assembly. Hopefully it's the problem. Cousin was supposed to do this, and we don't know what the hell we're doing, but I think we got it. So
don't judge us, guys.
Yeah, so, yeah, cut that part if we didn't know what the hell we're doing and we didn't even make it happen. But yeah, don't judge us.
If you see this video, we made it happen.
If you see it, we made it happen. Now that this whole thing's scrapped. But yeah, we're gonna try to work on it, and hopefully we get it down. Hopefully it fixes the problem. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so we got the door panel off. I think it was heavy as hell. It was just, I mean, you can see there's a bunch of wiring. He has LED lights, all the speakers. So yeah, this isn't our work, because people gonna be like, God damn. But so yeah, we took this off, just, you know, the windows, the locks and shit, and then disconnect everything. And now I believe we have to bring the window down, so you can't see it now, but bring it down to where we can get to this bolt. There's a bolt here. I believe it's a 10 mil. We bring it down to line it up, and they'll line up so that we can start taking off some of these screws that are in here. So we're gonna start with that, and then take off the rest and see which other ones we need to take off. So stick around.
Because I think the rating like slides.
Yeah.
Because it like locks into place.
Alright, Brandon. I don't know this one's phone. Si se cae el screw no hay pedo, right, Vic? Saca era que abajo acá.
Well, we should be able to grab it. Or just disconnect from there and do it with your hand. And you should be able to pull it out. There you go.
Alright. Let it go, see what happens. Nothing?
No, we shouldn't because it's still on there.
Okay, well then we're good then. Put that up there. Alright, what's next? This ain't nothing, huh?
It's like
This one. This one. This one. This one. I think that's it. This. Alright, so we put some cardboard up here just so that we won't have this shit, the glass come down. And the window, you can see those 10 mils. It goes right latched up in here. And then there's another one on this side. So we have to unhook it from here and pull it out and bring this motor down. That way we can start taking off these screws. So we can get this shit out.
So I think the next thing we need to unplug the window motor. Yeah. We'll unplug the window motor and then start
taking shit off.
Taking out the bolts.
Yeah, see where it's at first. Let me take this head off. Here. Alright guys, it's probably loud in the background, but they're from the yard. We're gonna take off all these screws. So it's this one, and then you got 4 right here in a square. So we're gonna take all these off. These are all 10 mils.
So this one, and these 4 right here.
Yep. This goes like this. Metal bracket on this.
This goes in those studs.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we got the old one out, and my brother's actually putting in the new one. So we're just gonna line it up real quick. There's some wires back there, so just careful with those wires. It's a brown wire. And yeah, I didn't know this. I guess it was a different door. But yeah, we're gonna line everything back up to these holes, the studs, put everything back on. So we'll get to it. Hopefully it's the problem. I got this. Sorry, go. There should be one that's with the small washer. Small washer. That's the big one. This one.
We gotta connect the ground. This one.
Oh, yeah. In the back. Now, you can align those.
You don't have to tighten all this.
No.
the line right there. I'm gonna put this one in so you'll be able to like that. Push it in. We get the. That's it.
We need to bring this down though.
Huh? Yeah, we'll fix it right now.
Just don't need it. How we gonna screw it in?
Well, you just screw that in. We gotta move it right now.
I know, bro, but you
How
can't
far
get
down?
on there. It needs to go here, remember? Put the cord up.
So we'll put these in first?
You remember, right?
Yeah. Because you can't get to it right now.
Yeah.
Right? Does it come up?
Yeah. Want me to just kind of semi-screw it?
Yeah. Okay.
Alright. 2 more up here.
I'll train in there.
Hold on. I have to go down.
This shit is
As that cable's been there. Go downward. Alright. This isn't like. There we go. A little bit more.
down?
A little bit. Alright. You gotta kind of. Alright.
So now we're just tying them all up. Pops brought out the knee pads.
Too fat for this shit, man.
Alright, we're just gonna tighten these back up. We'll be right back.
Alright guys, so I mean everything goes up and down. It does go a little bit slow because I guess when the person that had it bent the actual studs on the original, what would you call it?
On the window.
On the actual window. It's like the little holders that hold it and it's bent. So what it's doing is kind of like moving the window out. But I mean it opens and closes, no problem. So yeah, what we did, everything's good. We fixed it.
Go up and down a little bit.
Yep. You already know cousin gonna say something.
Oh yeah.
Well, it's because don't you?
Wish it was here though.
Yeah. See? It goes up, down. So this is what it's doing. It kind of moves from it being lined up, and then it
Then it goes back in.
So it goes up. Goes
So
down.
the previous owner got locked out and was like yanking on the window. So that doesn't help either. And that's the reason why we replaced it, because whatever he did, he forcefully made it go down.
I think it's these brackets right here.
Yeah. These studs right here.
Mm-hmm.
The previous owner forcefully put the window down and bent it all up. So that's why we replaced the whole assembly.
Before it wasn't even going down or up.
Yeah.
So we did what we needed to do and we're good. So yeah.
So
if you ever need to do it, it's these two right here, 2 studs right here that go on the back of the, what you call this? The assembly. And then you got 4 screws that go right here, right in the middle. Take those out, of course take your door panel off, disconnect everything, and after that you take it off, pretty much screw everything back in. All 10 mils. You don't need nothing else.
You got it? Oh. Alright guys, just button everything up. Everything's tested, functional.
Alright.
So yeah, all of the doors are fiberglass. Some of them need a lot of work though. So my son's thinking of just replacing the door panels to original and maybe putting like a titty rack on the top for all the speakers he has. So it's a lot of speakers.
Cool. Well, we got it. I don't know. We said it does have a 2.4 drop on it, but you already know. Well, you sound like it's ours or some shit.
Well, he does want to drop
He
it.
does want to slam it a little lower. Well, yeah, I mean, it has some. What is it? LED headlights, projectors.
Yeah.
Anyways,
show him a little bit.
Yeah. That's the interior, and then.
Let me turn it on real quick. I think we showed you the engraving on the engraving on the center console and on the doors.
Yeah.
It's got those of you that know, some of y'all, it's got
a lot of people probably won't know.
Nah, it's got a Tiara grill.
That's an expensive ass grill.
Yeah, with the bottom.
Yeah. But yeah. That's pretty much gonna do it for this video, guys. Like I said, I don't know how much this truck's gonna be on the channel, but we'll upload something, and also is also for our files. So as he progresses with the truck, we kind of want to go back on where it was and where it is at that moment. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. For anybody that's still watching, and thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one, guys. Sauce.